Hello, beautiful people. I'm coming your way with another video. So this is your mind, Brother Gavi. So please take a second or moment to subscribe to this channel, and you can also drop down your comments if you have any comments. So today we are looking at the Sunyani Highway. The work so far. You see that this part of the road is not done. As you can see, traffic around this area because some part of the road have been blocked from say Advocate, opposite Advocate to social police station area. This stretch of the road or that place of the road is quite congested, so the drivers find it difficult to cross. And then, so you can see the traffic here. So now we are looking at what the work so far, and let me say some parts is completed and some parts are not completed. So you can see this part they are doing their best. I don't know why they leave this huge space here. I was told they are going to plant some lawns or grass here in the middle. This thing, I don't think it is wise to do that, because if you do that, you cannot maintain them. If you look at from Sofoline, yeah, the pedestrians will be walking on it, and the thing will be looking dirty and all kinds of things. I think this in the middle, either they should use pavement blocks or they should construct it as a road, because in the middle you can see that they have left a big space here. I don't think it's advisable to do that. I don't think so. So as you can see here, these people can also construct double road. I was told that a time will come, they will come and expand the road again. I say, how? The time is now. The money is there now. So you should do it now, rather than coming back maybe the next 10 to 20 years before you come here. Now the time is now. The money is there. So time will come, you have to go out there and borrow money to come and do this work. I don't know why they do that. You can see from here to Sofoline, they have left a big this thing there. This one, they have no, it's not good. I don't know their motive and so on, but I was told that was their motive. So a time will come, they will come back and reconstruct or expand the road again. So as you can see here, almost done. It is left with some touches. So and then they will be finished, or they will finish this place. So it is left with the markings and so on. So you can see all the lights and everything are being fixed. So they have done well. Yeah, here is around Yas and To Senior High. Where you are watching now. We are around that place. So they have done well. So like I was saying, it is left with some patches where you have to do it before they can do the markings. They have done well. So you can also come here and verify everything for yourself. So if you are watching, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll be glad if you do so. And if you have any comments, you can also drop down your comments. Please watch my videos for me. Watch my video, and also I'm begging, if you want to sponsor or help me now, for now I'm using my phone to record every video. And you can see that the picture quality is not all that good. the picture quality is not all that good. The picture quality, because of the phone I am using, so people are complaining about my video that the picture quality is not good, and I have seen that. So that's why I am appealing to you guys, to someone who want to sponsor me or help me with a camera. Camera is quite expensive, so I cannot afford the money I have. I can't take me anywhere. So I'm begging you guys, please help me with a camera so that I can do a good job. Thank you for watching.